guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here this afternoon with what's in my makeup bag. I'm so excited to film this. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's not waste time, right? I'm gonna start with the brushes that are on top here. These are all of the brushes that I bring. Everything that I bring with me for a full face of makeup is right here in this bag. Okay, it's kind of a big bag. I understand that, but come on. I don't pack my skincare in this bag. I pack a separate skincare bag because I guess I'm high maintenance. But as for brushes, so I have the e.l.f. 101. I'm gonna set them down over here. I have the Real Techniques setting brush. I pack the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. However, I use this for highlight. That would not work for my foundation, no. I have the Luxie 512 Small Contour that I pack. I have my number 22 It Cosmetics Skin Perfecting Complexion brush, and this is what I use for my foundation. And then before I move on to the eye brushes, I have the Moda R+L. It came in a BoxyCharm. It doesn't have any other information on it, but I use it for bronzer. Sorry if I'm kind of quiet. My throat is killing me. I had my tonsils out on Friday, and today's Sunday. It hurts. Then I have my Luxie 532 Round Top Blender, and I use this for blush. And then last face brush I pack is the Sonia Kashuk No. 130, and I use it for powder. It's my powder brush. And then as for my eye brushes, I have the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blender, the Alamar Cosmetics Fluffy Blender brush. It doesn't have a name on it. I like it too much and I use it too often, so it wore off. And then the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered blender, the Vintage Cosmetics Step No. 3 Go Girl Go. It's a smudge brush for underneath the eyes. Mud Makeup Designery No. 810. It's like a little kind of nubby. I like it for the outer corner. And then another Mud Makeup Designery 330S. And I love this brush for underneath the brow bone. So those are all of my brushes. Alright, so this pouch back here doesn't actually close all the way because it has a spray bottle in it. So I'll do that after. But in this first pouch, I'm going to take everything right out of here, guys, so you can see that it all fits in. Everything is coming straight out. So, I pack the Milani Romantic Rose blush. This is the lipstick I like to pack. It is Smashbox, and it is called Top Shelf. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm wearing Flower Beauty Spice Petal, but this is super pretty. I like to keep this. This used to be my purse color, but I moved it to my travel bag because I'm leaving for the weekend. Oh, still coming right out of here. My Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer, just in case you need that shimmer. You know, beautiful. Milani's Stellar Lights Highlighting Palette, and I purely pack it for this shade right here because it is blinding of a highlight. And then my Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Looks like that. It has everything you need for a full face. Contour, blush, brightener, finishing powder, 2 different highlighters. This one's pink and this one's more of a tan. Why do I need an extra highlighting palette if I already have 2 highlighters in this palette? This is like an everyday highlight for me. This is like I'm going out on the town with my husband. I need to make sure that if I'm crossing the street, the truck coming my way is going to stop and not hit me, because I am not paying attention when I cross the street usually. I suck at that, guys. Always look both ways and always use crosswalks. It's been close calls sometimes. The only eyeshadow palette that I pack is the Holy Grail Violet Voss Pro. Because, hello, look at that mirror, first of all. Huge. Oh, you like my tripod? Love it. And second, it has every single color that you could need. You could do a day look right here. You could do a night look. You could do a little bit of a crazy look with this hashtag. It's got everything. Can you tell this is my favorite color right there? Cool Beams. I love that shade. It's my favorite. Okay. So, those are my palettes and powders. I guess I should have done the back one first, because this is kind of like how you end your face, right? I'm going to put those all right back in because I'm bringing them with me this weekend. And so then those all went back in there. I can close that back up. And then in this back pocket here, I have Spotlight Physicians Formula Primer. The Poreless Putty e.l.f. Primer. Because I do like to double prime. I told you I was high maintenance. I never thought it was going to come to this day where I could actually admit that I was a high maintenance girl, because my entire life growing up and like through high school, I was like, I'm low maintenance, guys. I don't need any of that crap. And then, you know what? This hair, I'm sorry, but when you're born with hair like this, there's nothing else that you can be other than high maintenance, because like, right? Okay. Foundation first. The Light Illusion Flower Foundation, I am bringing that. The Light Illusion Flower Concealer, bringing that. The powder that I'm choosing to bring this time around is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and because I used it recently and I forgot how much I loved it, so I want to use it up so that I can have a reason to buy a new one. And then I'm going to bring my No Name chocolate. I just dropped the cap. What am I trying to say? It doesn't have a name on it. It's a brow pencil. The only thing I know about it is it's in the shade chocolate. It's in the shade chocolate. My setting spray from Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminating. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Remister. Radiant Dew. I love this. It smells so good. It feels so nice on my face. It smells like mint and eucalyptus. It feels good. I love it. Okay, and then my little pencils are in here. And I have the single Wet n Wild shade in Brulee, my double decker lashes, Infallible L'Oreal Cobalt Blue eyeliner, the number 7 Stay Perfect Glide On eyeliner, and then Buxom Jumbo Lip Crayon in Danger Dolly. And that, my friends, is everything that I pack in my travel bag. Right down to the brushes. Oh, wait. These also come with me, the Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes, but I usually put them in my skincare bag. I can do a travel skincare bag with, if you want, like a separate video, travel skincare. That might be fun. I'll plan that. Stay tuned. Okay. put my bags back together. Was that everything? Seriously? That was fast. That's exciting. That means this is going to be an easier video to edit. I like editing videos when they're short and sweet and simple. You know those videos that are like an hour long? Man, those are a pain in the butt to edit. But totally worth it. Okay guys, well, if you like this video, if you think it was entertaining or whatever, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, catch you later. Bye.